Hello friends, glad to welcome you to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can download a folder from Google Drive to your cell phone. Friends, please make sure to put your likes. Also write your comments and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's get started and open up on your phone. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone. Open up Google Drive and go to the folder that you would like to download. As you can see, I have this folder, and if you click on the three dots next to it, unfortunately, you won't find the download function anywhere in the menu. So in order to download the data that is in this folder, you will have to open it. Then you have to download all the data that is in this folder. And I have this as a known image of a photograph. And you'll need, if you want to download all the files at once. Click on one of them. Highlight. And next click on this image right here at the top, on this second sign. So you'll highlight all of your media files at once, or your documents. Then click on the three dots at the top. And here you will find Download. Click here. And wait until all of your data that was in this Google Drive folder is downloaded. And if you had, let's say, like me, some media files, like photos or videos, then you'll be able to find them in your gallery. I see that they downloaded all 6 video files. If it was some documents, or if it was an image from another format, or if it was music inside, then you'll find it all in the File application and the folder that you saved it to. That's how you can easily download the folder very quickly, friends. How much cleaning on the Important and Me phone. I hope this video has been helpful and useful to you. Please and friends put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until soon.